How to make PDF open in Adobe Reader instead of your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the some methods that you can use, and you can easily fix if your PDF file open automatically in Chrome browser and you want to open it in Adobe Reader only by default. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the one PDF file which I have on my computer. So this is my PDF file. You can see there is a you can see the browser logo here. If I open it, you can see it's directly open in my browser. So if I want to make it open only Adobe Reader, so there is some methods you have to follow. First, you need the Adobe Reader software, so I suggest you download from the official website. After that, the first method is go to the settings, come to the settings and go to the apps. Under the apps, go to the default apps here. So here you can go to the choose default apps by file types. So here you can choose the any file type which with the default viewers, or you can choose default app by protocol. Okay, so, or you can set the default by apps. So I suggest you can go to this, choose the default app by file type, and it will be takes few seconds to open. Let it open first. So here you can see I have all file type here. So you need to find out the PDF. Just scroll down and find out the P section. So yeah, there is a P, and here you can see the PDF. So now we have the by default for the file type, my by default app is a Chrome. So we need to select this Chrome, and now we have to choose in Adobe Reader. Okay, we need the software. So I just already told you need Adobe Reader software in your computer. So just select it. After select, just come back, and now you can see my file now open in Adobe Reader only. You can see. And the second method, it is very easy method, I will show you. Okay, so this is my PDF file which is open in Chrome only. So this method is a very useful and very easy. Just select the file, right click on it and go to the open with, and here we need to choose the another app option, and here we need to choose the Adobe Reader. If you don't find Adobe Reader here, just scroll down and go to the more app, and here you can see the Adobe Reader. If you have Adobe Reader in your computer, just select the Adobe Reader. Now we need to select the by default by clicking on always use this app to the open in PDF file, and just click on OK. Now you can see it is open in PDF file only. So any PDF file will open in PDF Adobe Reader only. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.